Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Crafting on It. Today in this video I am going to make a project on adaptability of deer. It will highlight all the point how deer adapt to its surrounding and live in his surrounding. And for this project we just only required a simple cardboard. I have taken a sweet box. You can take any shoe box also, empty shoe box also, like this. To give a forest look for my background, I have taken forest printout. And according to the length of my background, I have taken out 2 printout like this and pasted on the cardboard. As you know, the forest is green in color, so I will paint all the box with the green color, and to give a river look I will paint it with the blue color. I am making the river in the center. It's your choice. You can also make the river at the one corner of the project. Both will look good. As the forest has long grass, so I have taken a mat of this size. Even you can take the smaller grass mat also. And according to my length, I have cut the mat into 2 sizes. Now with the help of the hot glue, first paste the background, then paste the cutted grass on the required area. Now I am just making the heading on a white chart paper. And in this way I had made my heading, and you can see my heading is ready, and I will paste this heading in front of my project. After that, to write it adaptability features, I have just taken out the cutout of two square shape, and I will paste this square shape on a ice cream stick. You can write content in any shape, even you can make a cloud shape, heart shape, any shape of your choice. As I have written my content, now I will paste the trees that I have ordered it from the Encarto. With the help of the hot glue, I am pasting all the tree that I have ordered. Now comes the main subject of the project, that is deer. This deer also I have ordered it from the Encarto. You can also order from there. Any object material you want to order, you can order it from Encarto. They provide good project material at a reasonable price. Now just to give a just little more forest look, I am just pasting little stones in it. It's your choice, you want to paste it or not.